In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect OpenPhone with HubSpot. This integration will streamline your communication and customer relationship management, allowing you to operate more efficiently. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can start making the most out of these powerful tools. To begin, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Logging in ensures that you have the necessary access and permissions to integrate new applications. Once you're logged in, make your way to the trial guide. Now, this trial guide is a crucial resource. It serves as a launchpad where you'll find everything you need to start building forms and optimizing your workflow. Keep in mind that understanding these resources will give you a better foundation as you connect different tools to your HubSpot account. With the trial guide in place, kindly head back to your HubSpot homepage. From here, direct your attention to the marketplace, which acts like an app store within HubSpot. This is where you can find various apps and integrations to enhance your CRM experience. You'll see a search bar in the marketplace, and that's where you'll want to type OpenPhone. Once the results populate, click on OpenPhone. Don't rush to hit the install button just yet. First, take a few moments to review the details provided. This includes understanding what the app does, its features, and how integrating it might affect your current setup. A thorough review will ensure that you are fully aware of what to expect and how it aligns with your objectives. After reviewing and confirming that OpenPhone is the right fit for what you're trying to achieve, go ahead and click Install. Following this, several prompts will appear on your screen. These prompts will guide you through the connection process. It might involve granting permissions or signing into your OpenPhone account, so have those credentials handy. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, taking time to read each step carefully. This will help prevent any missteps that could disrupt the integration. And there you have it. You've successfully connected OpenPhone to your HubSpot account. This integration will bring new efficiencies to your business communications and enhance your customer relationship management dynamic. Remember, having both platforms harmoniously interconnected can significantly streamline your operations, freeing up time to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. I hope this guide has been clear and instrumental in helping you set up your integration. If you encounter any issues or have questions, be sure to consult HubSpot's extensive documentation or OpenPhone's support team. Thank you for following along, and happy integrating.